guys, it's Andrea here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, aka my internet home.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison.
So on this channel we do a plethora of things. We do try on hauls, we do vlogs, and most of all we do wig reviews. So for today's video we are doing something a little bit different. I am reviewing my first ever synthetic wig from Outre's Melted Hairline collection. I am reviewing the Wig Martina in the color Ginger Brown. But before we get into that video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you are notified every single time I post, because I am on my way to 3K and I want you guys with me every step of the way. So if you want to see me style this wig and give you my full review on it, keep on watching. Hey guys, editing Andrea here, just popping in real quick because I forgot to say thank you to Polished Icon Iron for sponsoring today's video. I'm editing right now and I was like, where is my thank you? So I have to give them a big thank you for sponsoring this video. So please make sure you check my description box. All of their information is going to be down below. So please make sure you check it out and support a Black-owned business. Okay, and now I'm gonna let you get right back into the video. Bye! So this is how the hair came packaged. This is the stock card that came with the wig that just has all of the wig's information, like the name of the wig, the color of the wig, and all the available colors and all of the wig's features. This is what the wig looks like straight out of the packaging, and then this is the inside of the wig that has a T-part lace front and an elastic band. Okay guys, so this is the wig from the Melted Hairline collection. This is style Martina in the color Ginger Brown. It's like this like gingerish reddish color, like this reddish brown. I think it's super pretty, but it feels very, very thick. So I'm happy about that. So this is the stock card for it right here. The girl in the picture looks really, really pretty. I love that. Oh, so it comes in all like the standard colors, 1, 1B, 2, 613. Then it comes in ginger brown, golden amber, red velvet, and Malibu blonde. It says that the baby hairs are included and there's a pre-attached elastic band, which I absolutely love because that means I don't necessarily have to glue this wig down. This wig also has heat resistant fibers, so it's safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The lace on this looks really great. Like the hairline looks really great actually. Lace does look a little light for my skin, so I'm just gonna add some foundation to the lace so it just blends out a little bit better. Okay, now that is done, I'm just going to go ahead and install the wig. This color is so pretty, I really like that. Okay, and I'm happy with the hairline right now. So we're going to just... Okay, so while I melt my lace down even more, I'm going to hot comb the edges just so it's like giving scalp, you know, just giving everything it should give me. And I'm going to be using this hot comb from Polished Icon Iron. They are a Black-owned business and I love to support, so I will leave all their information down below in the description box, so make sure you check them out. Also, the bonnet that I was wearing at the beginning of the video is also from them, and I have a few more goodies that I'm going to show you throughout this video, so please check them out and make sure you show support because you know we love a Black-owned business. I also have the hot comb set at 375 degrees. The hair said it was safe up to 400 degrees. I'm not gonna go past 375. To be honest, I really wanted to do 350, but 350 isn't necessarily an option here, unless I just put it in between 300 and 375, but I'd rather just sit at 375. So
I got one virtual, got one in that there, the only two, man. How many times have I shown and proved, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes, he thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they wanna know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. Hey. Yeah, I got one lawyer, got one in that there, the only two, man. How many times have I told you the truth, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving them potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels or fuck up the deals. I'm posted in Stockholm, it's me, the Owls, and the twins, it's only the real. I'm moving way too humble, Weezy and handed it off, I still got no fumbles. I'm on a hot 100, numero uno, this one ain't come with a bundle. I'm in the win, $1 million in chocolate chips, and that's just how my cookie crumble. I put a skirt on the whip and a crown on the 6, but there's no need to dress up the numbers, ayy, ayy. Yeah, but I guess they must have their reasons. They wanna know how I'm living my day-to-day life in the regular season. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. Making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you and only you. Yeah, I got one virtual, got one in that there, the only two, man. How many times have I shown and proved, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes, he thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they wanna know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey.
So I'm almost done with this wig, but I just want to go do my makeup and then finish styling this hair on camera for you guys and then give you my full opinion on this wig. So I will be right back. Okay, so now I am done with my makeup and I am actually really feeling it. I'm really feeling this hair. I'm even feeling like the style that I have it in right now. But I do want to, you know, give you all it can give. So I'm going to style the hair. Even though this looks very nice, I know it can give more. So I'm going to give you more. So I'm going to use this flat iron, also from Polished Icon Iron. So it's not just like a regular flat iron. As you can tell, it's curved to give you like perfect flat iron curls. So I'm just gonna let this heat up and then I'm going to, you know, do what I do.
You ain't gotta bring no stuff. We got all we need right here. Just let me be in your life like that. Be my wife like that. I bring the light right back. I bring the light right back. I'm gonna make you a more. I'm gonna be a new favorite. Tell me closing the door. I am the only concern, baby. For that, there shouldn't be no harder.
Okay guys, and this is the final look. Makeup and hair slayed. I opted to do like this really flippy, almost 90s looking hairstyle, which I really like. I am honestly really liking the way that this came out. So I'm just going to give you the pros and cons of this hair. I'm going to start off with the cons so that we can end off on a high note. The con that I have with this wig is it tangled just a little bit. Oh, another con I had for this hair, like it's not like a lace front wig where I can just part it wherever I would like. This is my first synthetic wig, so I'm not sure if they all just come like this or not, but it's mostly, you know, a T-part type of wig. So it's basically like I get this, you know, the frontal part, but I can't part it wherever I would like, you know, within like the 4 inches or whatever. I can only literally do a middle part. And granted, I don't really have a problem with that. I'm a middle part type of girl. I love a middle part. But if you're not a middle part girl, you can't really part this on the side. You'll run into a track if you part it on the side. So you definitely cannot part it on the side. It's definitely just T-part straight in the middle. So those were the cons that I had for this hair. The pros that I have for this hair is that it is a frontal. It does give frontal effects, so it goes from ear to ear, 13 by 4 I believe. Another pro is that it had the elastic headband in it, which made the wig fit to my head so perfectly. That's another pro. This wig fit my head so well. A lot of human hair virgin wigs that I've tried before, sometimes the wig is just a little small, and I have like a very full hairline, so the frontal doesn't always cover like my whole hairline, and if it does, like I have to have the frontal like really low on my head, and I don't like that. But with this, like the frontal's not that low on my head at all. It looks very natural to me. Like this looks like where a wig should be, and it definitely covers my my full hairline. Like this is probably one of the first wigs that cover my full hairline completely, like including my sideburns perfectly. Like honestly, it looks so good. I also love the color of this hair. It is super pretty. I love this like golden rich ginger brown, like this reddish brown. It gives me like baby's Tyra Banks, like back in the late 90s, early 2000s, when she was on America's Next Top Model and she religiously had red hair. I'm not gonna go that red, but it's giving me like baby tie-tie vibes, and I love that. This hair is also in a silky texture, but it also feels very thick, which I like because I cannot stand a thin wig. I cannot stand a thin wig at all, and I would not deal with a thin wig. This one very full of body. It's body yaddy 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 yaddy. Hey. Okay. But overall, I am super happy with this hair. I think I did a really good job. Okay guys, and that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave me a big old thumbs up to let YouTube know that you like this video, and go ahead and leave me a comment down below to let me know that you like this video. If you didn't get to at the beginning of the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you are notified every single time I post, because I am on my way to 3K and I want you guys with me every step of the way. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison. I'm a